Okay, so we're with the A102 Sharp register. I'm going to be handing out receipts to my customers, and if you can see, it quits printing there. We're going to program that here shortly. We're going to tear this off. We're going to look at it. Now, this is the section we want to look at. Okay, 017. 17 is your VAT number. Okay, which means 17 is taxable. Okay, 7 is non-taxable. So as you can see here, departments 5 through 8 is not going to charge tax right now. And we need to change that. So I want all 8 of my departments to charge tax. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to come over here and we're going to explain this to you. Okay, we're still in XZ program, but we're not in program mode. Okay, so again, we're going to push any button in the departments to get it in program mode. So now it's ready. Okay? And we're going to go over this because it asks you to program it with A's, B's, C, D, G. If you look on here, there is none of that. Okay? So we're going to go over how you take care of that. I'm going to set this up. Hopefully where we can see our little board here. Let me go over this. Okay, it's asking for me to program, if I'm going to program my departments that I want charge tax, it's asking for me to do A, B, C, D, E, F, and I believe G here. Okay? Yes, okay. So I want all my departments to be a positive. I'm not doing a refund on anything, so my code for this is going to be 0. Okay? Now it's going to be choice of a single cash item cell. 0 for normal. Okay? Because I'm not making my department 1 $2.99 or department 3, you know, I'm doing it for normal. So I'm going to enter 0. Next we're going to see, well actually on this one it says C, D, E, and F are all one number. And it gives you enter 000 for non-taxable, 0001 for taxable, and it goes on to explain some others. I need them taxable, so we're going to enter 0, 0, 0, 1. And that's our code. Now we get to G. It says enter the digit limit. Well, you know, I might ring up a $1,000 item. I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and enter the maximum amount, 7 digits. Okay? And that's how they get the A, B, C, and G. So now, when I go to enter this code into my computer, or into my register, I'm entering 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 7, and then I'm pressing the @TM sign, okay, and then my department key. So if I want department, remember on our slip that 5 through 8 was not taxable, and I needed them to be taxable. So then over here, when I get to the department key, I'm going to enter in Shift 5, okay? Now, I'm not going to press subtotal because then it's going to print and take us out of program mode. I'm then going to re-enter this again, and then Shift 6 to program my department key for Department 6. Then I'm going to enter this again at TM, and then enter Shift 7 to program my department number 7. And then I'm going to do the same thing for department number 8 because I want a 1 through 8 taxable at 8.75%. Now we're over here at the register and we're going to show you how to do it. Okay, I'm in program mode. And we're at the Z program function. And how do we get there? We push a department key to get to a program mode. Okay, now I'm going to enter what it says here, my number that we came up with. Okay, 0017 at TM button, okay? And then the department that I want to be taxed. So shift, I want department 8, okay? And it's programmed. Now, I'm done. I'm not going to program anymore. And I want to check it. So you push subtotal. It's going to print a long receipt.